Hi guys, I am Sajid Surendran from ADM Solutions. This time I am taking to you all to a very different journey. I am super excited to visit China and HG Tech to meet the management, to witness the technological development of the company, to see the new product developments, to explore the country, to learn a little bit about the culture, also to attend the festival. Join me step by step. Let us learn, practice, implement, and improve our productivity. Let us start now. Guys, it was a fabulous experience which I have got. The time was really short. It doesn't matter at all. We have scheduled in such a way, each and every moment was a learning experience. We have learned a lot about the company, the country, the technological innovation, new product developments, the culture of the country, and much more. In my next video, I am going to talk to you about 5-axis laser cutting machine alone in detail. My sincere suggestion to you all is kindly share this video to all your friends and in all your business circles alone. Stay tuned for next video. Thank you very much.